Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to make epic poster design just like this using Photoshop. In this tutorial I'll be showing you guys not only how to do this epic poster but also teaching you guys how to go about using the blending modes on Photoshop and other effects on Photoshop. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial. Without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. Yeah, so I've already done the design already before, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm going to create a new document. So the size I'm going to be using is 1080 by 1350. And so yeah, so I'm going to fit it to screen it properly. Then I'm going to go to where the materials, not here yet. Let me go to this place. Oh yeah, I'm going to bring in this image to serve as our first background image. So I'm going to, after resizing, I'm going to go to filter, then blur. We'll add some blur effect to it, cushion blur, then we set it to 33.2. So after that, again I'm going to pick another image again. Not this one. Yeah, this. I'm going to pick this, then place it at the center. Yeah, and then add the blur effect again. But yeah, add the blur effect again. So I'm going to uncheck it first, then add the layer mask to it, then use the brush to change the color to a full background. Make sure the flow of the brush is 100. Then I'm going to blend the image with the background behind it. Blend all the necessary edges, the top and the down. So I'm going to turn on the blur effect back. Then after that, I'm going to go back to that folder. Then I'm going to bring in the main image. This is the main image. So we're going to be using this image to do the poster. So this will serve as our main image. Make sure the image is centralized. Then we'll add the layer marks. Use our brush to blend the edges we don't need. Then do the same thing to the top side. Yeah, so after doing that, this is the place where we're going to change the layer mode, the blending mode. We're going to change the blending mode to add light. Layer mode to add light. You can see that this showing some cinematic effect already. Then bring in this image. We only need we don't need everything per se, but we just need the top part and the some side and the down part too. No, I'm not going to put it underneath. So we'll create a layer mode, layer, and then use our brush to clear away some sides. We start from the center, just like how I'm doing it. So we're going to clear away some things away. Yeah, you can see the poster is already, taking shape. So after doing that, let me zoom out a little bit to take care of the downside too. I'm going to change it to black back, just to take away some part away. Yeah, the size and all. Then let me zoom in back. So I'm going to pick this sparkle effect. The motive of this design is to show that, okay, these people are trying to like enter another portal, like a teleportation stuff like that. So that's why I'm putting this sparkle as if they are entering into the sparkle. So I'm going to bring in this bed image. I'm going to resize it. Oh, what's going on? I'm going to resize it. Size it proper. Then tilt it. Yeah, it's because of the, just to add a little just to add more beauty to the design. Then change the layer mode to multiply. Then we add contrast to it. Then okay. So after doing that, we're going to bring in this railway railway track. This roller coaster track seems is roller coaster image, railway image. I'm going to tilt it clockwise, then enlarge it a bit. I have to zoom out a little bit to position it well. Increase it a bit. Yeah, let's drag it up. Just make sure it's well placed. Then I'm going to shift that sparkle up a bit too. Let me zoom back. Let me zoom in back. Oh, it's too much. Yeah. So after doing that, we're going to add some camera raw filter to the image. So the exposure, we're going to set it to something about minus 0.10. That's about 0.1. Yeah, 0.1. Then go all the way to the, add some sharpening effect to it too. Yeah, then we'll set this sharpening effect to probably 11 or 12 as you wish. Yeah, so after doing that, we'll add some motion blur effect to it. So we're going to set the angle to 0, the distance to 30. Then we'll click on OK. So yeah, I'm going to bring in this small right up. I'm going to place it below and resize it. Then after doing that, we'll centralize it. After centralizing, then we'll change the layer mode to screen. No, it cannot be. Yeah, screen. Then we'll add contrast twice. Then shadow and highlight to add it. Same thing again, we'll go to shadow and highlight, set the amount of shadow to 0 and then the highlight 100. Then it's time to write the text. Yeah, so the resource materials used in this video, the link will be available in the description. Going to change the font type, going to enlarge it, the text, then place it at the center. Going to change the text color to white. Then centralize it. Yeah, so we're still going to add the gradient overlay to the text. Let's see, all the way down. Pick this color, this gradient color. Yeah, so the scale, we're going to set it to 100. Let me see, 100. Then the angle, we're going to uncheck this reverse. Let me see, the angle, we're going to set it to 90. Yeah, then uncheck the reverse, 90. Yeah, then we'll click on OK. Then we're going to duplicate. Just press on your keyboard Ctrl J to duplicate. Then I'm going to uncheck the gradient overlay for this. Then change the font type to italic. Then reduce the size of the text. Yeah, so this pack, we're still going to add drop shadow effect to it. So the color, the color code is 726C6C. Click on OK. The distance, we're going to set it to 3. The spread, we're going to set it to 18. Then the size 21. Yeah, 21. The opacity 47. Then the angle, it remains 90. Then click on OK. Then I'm going to centralize both of them, both text. Select both of them, then background, then hit the center. So yeah, I think we're done. That's it on how to create an epic poster just like this. You will find this video, if you learned one or two things from this tutorial, why don't you give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down there so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial video, and also share this tutorial so that the YouTube algorithm will, show recommend this video to people who are interested in learning how to create epic designs like this. Till then, see you in my next tutorial.